What is this? This is a valet tray. Something you put your shit in at night or when you get home. Today I'm gonna do something a little different for you, and I'm just gonna do the end process of a valet tray. There's a little one. You put your crap in it. And this video is gonna be different because I've got a lot of this already done, the easy stuff. This is 2 layers, Dublin, Chromexel, and believe it or not, this is what we're gonna end up with. Just get your pattern. Let's say this is our pattern, whatever size you want. This is gonna be a big one. Take your pattern, put it on 2 pieces of leather, about a 1/4 inch extra on each side, cut them out, glue them together, cut it out exactly like your pattern. I don't need to show you that. Clip your corners, bevel, die, mark, stitch. So this is 2 layers done, put together, easy. And I have a whole video on hand stitching, so no need to sit here and stitch for you today. What we're gonna do is make this a valet tray. A little different this time though. Here's the trick though. These walls are about 1.25 inches. These walls are about 1 inch. These walls are 2 inches. So the trick is whatever you want. Like let's say this is 1 inch, 1.25 inches. Take a ruler, whatever height you want your wall to be. These are 2, so get a 2-inch wide ruler. Take your leather after you're done. Put your bump jig right here. Put that right beside it, like so. And then pre-fold. That's why I've got these marks. Get these things folded up. Hey, Olivia, hold on. Like so, like so. And then you get this, and we're almost there. The next secret are these holes in the corners. We're gonna put rivets in here. So you're gonna have your walls like this. We need to pinch that. So very simple. These are 2-inch walls. So make your cross in the corner, go up exactly halfway, 1 inch, 1 inch. Right exact on both. See that? Right there, dead center, 1 inch, 2 inch. Do it on both. Transfer that to your leather and put a bump jig in that corner like this. Put that right there. Mark your 2 holes, punch them out, and we're almost ready to go. Now, grab an anvil. Mascon and ZB, we offer these anvils for you on the website. I'll put a link down in the description. These are wonderful. Using number 9 rivets today. My son makes these rivet setters, so we're gonna be using the number 9. Anvil, rivet setter, rivet, ball, peen, hammer, clippers, and a maul. We're ready to go. 4 rivets. And one thing to keep in mind, make sure that the orientation is the same on each side, pointing the same way. Just take a corner, put your rivet in one of the holes, fold it over, put that rivet in that hole, squeeze it, and look, we're almost ready to go. Let's put that burr on that post. Grab your burr. Grab your number 9. Clippers. Clip it. How easy is that? Now, let's do the other 3. See, that rivet is going in that way. So on this side, put the same rivet this way. Like so. I don't use a domer. I just use the ball peen. Keeps it flat. We're getting there. 2 more. Time to celebrate. Remember, I've got that hand stitching video. It's somewhere on this last end screen here.